Qom, one of the holiest cities in Iran, is considered the spiritual center of the Twelver branch of Shia Islam. The city is home to the famous Jam Karen Mosque, which is believed to be a place of prayer for the Mahdi, the 12th Imam in Shia belief. Qom has a rich history, dating back to ancient times, and it was known as Qom in the pre-Islamic era. The city is located approximately 125 kilometers south of Tehran, making it a significant pilgrimage site for Shia Muslims from across Iran and beyond. Qom's population is predominantly Shia Muslim, and the city is known for its religious seminaries, where students study Islamic theology and jurisprudence. The city is home to the Qom Seminary, one of the most important centers for Islamic scholarship in the world. Qom has produced many prominent Shia clerics and scholars, including Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini, the leader of the 1979 Iranian Revolution. The city hosts the annual Quranic competitions, attracting participants from across the globe to showcase their recitation and memorization skills. Qom is also known for its vibrant bazaars, where traditional crafts, textiles, and religious artifacts are sold, reflecting the city's rich cultural heritage. The city's architecture features beautiful Islamic designs, with many mosques and religious centers adorned with intricate tile work and calligraphy. The Fatima Masuma Shrine is one of the most significant religious sites in Qom, dedicated to the sister of the 8th Shia Imam, Imam Reza. The shrine attracts millions of pilgrims each year, making it a central part of the religious and cultural life in Qom. Qom is often referred to as the City of Knowledge due to its esteemed educational institutions and religious scholarship. The city plays a crucial role in the dissemination of Shia Islamic teachings and jurisprudence, influencing communities far beyond its borders. Qom has a semi-arid climate, characterized by hot summers and mild winters, which affects the lifestyle of its residents. The city is known for its production of religious literature, with many books and texts published in various languages. Qom is also a center for interfaith dialogue, hosting conferences and discussions aimed at promoting understanding between different religious communities. The city has a thriving culture of poetry and literature, with many poets and writers drawing inspiration from its religious and historical significance. Qom's economy is largely based on religious tourism, with many businesses catering to the needs of pilgrims and visitors. The city is known for its hospitality, with many locals offering services to pilgrims, including accommodation and meals. Qom has a unique local cuisine, featuring dishes such as koresht and dizzy, which are popular among visitors. The city is surrounded by beautiful mountains, providing opportunities for hiking and outdoor activities for residents and tourists alike. Qom's location along the ancient Silk Road contributed to its historical significance as a trade hub. The city has a diverse population, with people from different ethnic backgrounds coexisting harmoniously. Qom is home to several cultural institutions, including museums and libraries, dedicated to preserving its rich heritage. The city has a strong tradition of Islamic art, with many artists specializing in calligraphy, painting, and tile making. Qom is known for its vibrant religious festivals, which bring together communities to celebrate and commemorate significant events in Shia Islam. The city's educational institutions attract students from various countries, fostering a multicultural environment. Qom has a well-developed transportation network, making it accessible for pilgrims and tourists traveling from other parts of Iran. The city has a lively nightlife, with many cafes and restaurants offering traditional Iranian dishes and contemporary cuisine. Qom's religious significance has made it a focal point for political movements and social change in Iran. The city has been the site of many important historical events, including political demonstrations and religious gatherings. Qom is known for its traditional crafts, including carpet weaving, pottery, and metalwork, which reflect the city's cultural heritage. The local government actively promotes cultural activities, including art exhibitions, music concerts, and literary events. Qom has a growing population, with many young people drawn to the city for educational and religious purposes. The city has been influenced by various historical empires, including the Sassanids and the Safavids, which have shaped its cultural landscape. Qom's architecture is characterized by its stunning domes and minarets, which are prominent features of its mosques and religious buildings. The city has a strong community of female scholars and activists, contributing to discussions on women's rights within the framework of Shia Islam. Qom is known for its environmental initiatives, aiming to preserve its natural surroundings and promote sustainable practices. The city's proximity to Tehran has led to significant economic development, transforming it into a modern urban center. Qom has a rich musical heritage, with traditional Persian music being an integral part of its cultural identity. The city hosts numerous seminars and workshops on Islamic philosophy, ethics, and law, attracting scholars from around the world. Qom's local government invests in infrastructure projects to improve the quality of life for its residents. The city has a unique system of religious leadership, where scholars hold significant influence over social and political matters. Qom's residents are known for their strong sense of community, often coming together to support one another in times of need. The city is also a center for Islamic publishing, with many presses producing religious texts and literature. The city is known for its rich oral traditions, with storytelling being an important aspect of its cultural heritage.